Did you know that poor posture can make you look 10 years older? Would you believe that 80% of Americans are damaging their spine right now? What if I told you that a simple atomic habit could transform your posture forever? Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal a secret technique used by Japanese centenarians for perfect posture that's backed by Harvard researchers. Can bad posture really take years off your life? The American Journal of Pain Management reports that poor posture leads to a 30% decrease in lung capacity. But that's just the beginning. Research from Cornell University shows that every inch your head moves forward adds 10 pounds of pressure on your spine. The good news? By implementing James Clear's Atomic Habits methodology of tiny changes, you can start reversing years of damage. Start with the 2-minute posture reset. Stand against a wall, making sure your head, upper back, and buttocks touch it. Maintain this position while walking away, engaging your core muscles. Practice this every time you receive a phone notification, turning a daily distraction into a powerful posture trigger. Studies from the University of California show that consistent micro-corrections throughout the day are more effective than longer isolated practice sessions. Make this reset automatic by linking it to common daily activities, like checking emails, drinking water, or answering phone calls. Why are tech giants installing standing desks everywhere? Studies from the University of Minnesota show that employees using standing desks report a 46% increase in workplace productivity. Therefore, creating an ergonomic workspace becomes crucial. The atomic habit approach here is simple but powerful. Set a timer to stand for just 2 minutes every hour, then gradually increase it. But here's the game changer most people miss. The height of your screen should allow you to look slightly downward at a 15 to 20 degree angle. According to workplace safety expert Alan Hedge from Cornell University, this optimal angle reduces neck strain by up to 40%. Make your workspace posture-friendly by using the RISE method. Raise your screen, incline your keyboard, set your shoulders back, and engage your core. Recent research from the Department of Occupational Health at Stanford University reveals that alternating between sitting and standing every 30 minutes optimizes blood flow and muscle engagement. Transform your workspace gradually by starting with movement snacks during phone calls and eventually building up to longer standing periods. What ancient secret did Japanese monks know about posture? The Seiza sitting position, practiced for centuries in Japan, naturally aligns your spine. But modern research from Tokyo University reveals why it works. It activates deep postural muscles that most exercises miss. Transform this wisdom into an atomic habit by starting with 30 seconds of Seiza sitting while checking your morning emails. Harvard Medical School's research shows that such brief but consistent practices can rewire your muscle memory within 66 days. The key is to combine this with dynamic movement. Dr. Stuart McGill's research shows that moving between positions is more beneficial than maintaining any single position. Therefore, alternate between Seiza and standing every 20 minutes during your workday. Recent studies from Kyoto University's Department of Physical Therapy demonstrate that traditional Japanese sitting practices improve core stability by 45% when practiced consistently. Start with short durations and gradually increase your time, paying attention to your body's signals. Remember to maintain proper breathing patterns during these positions, as research indicates that synchronized breathing enhances postural muscle activation by up to 30%. Is your sleeping position sabotaging your posture progress? The Cleveland Clinic reports that 73% of people with chronic back pain sleep in positions that worsen their condition. But here's the revolutionary atomic habit fix. Place a small rolled towel under your neck for the first 2 minutes in bed. Research from the Sleep Foundation shows this simple action can realign your spine while you rest. Dr. Michael Breus, known as the Sleep Doctor, advocates for the 90-second spine alignment check before sleep. Start by lying on your back, knees slightly bent, and perform a gentle pelvic tilt. This activates your core stabilizers and sets up proper alignment for the night ahead. A groundbreaking study from the University of California's Sleep Research Center found that proper sleep posture can reduce morning stiffness by up to 60%. The key is consistency. Create a pre-sleep ritual that includes proper pillow positioning and spine alignment. Research shows that sleepers who maintain neutral spine alignment during rest report significantly better posture throughout the following day. Why are ballet dancers never slouching even after 50? The Journal of Dance Medicine reveals that professional dancers maintain better posture into their 60s thanks to one simple principle: daily bear work. Adapt this into an atomic habit by holding onto your kitchen counter each morning while waiting for your coffee to brew. Perform gentle plies and spine rolls, focusing on engagement rather than intensity. Studies from the Royal Academy of Dance show that just 3 minutes of guided movement patterns can improve posture awareness for up to 8 hours. The key is consistency over intensity. Therefore, link this practice to your existing morning routine, making it as automatic as brushing your teeth. These micro movements create lasting postural improvements when practiced consistently. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. Could your breathing pattern be ruining your posture? Research from the Journal of Physical Therapy Science shows that 80% of office workers breathe incorrectly, leading to postural compensation. The atomic habit solution? Every time you check your phone, take one diaphragmatic breath. Dr. Belisa Vranich's research at the breathing class demonstrates that proper breathing can increase spine length by up to 1 inch. Start with the 3-7-8 breathing technique while maintaining tall posture. This method, studied at the University of Arizona, shows immediate improvement in both posture and stress levels. Implement this breathing pattern during your daily transitions between tasks. Recent studies from the Respiratory Research Institute reveal that coordinated breathing exercises can strengthen core muscles by up to 45% when practiced consistently. The key is linking breath work to regular daily activities. Set up breath triggers throughout your day, such as before eating, while waiting at traffic lights, or during commercial breaks. Research indicates that proper breathing patterns can activate deep postural muscles more effectively than traditional core exercises. What's the connection between walking and perfect posture? The American College of Sports Medicine reveals that gait patterns directly impact spinal alignment. Create an atomic habit by focusing on posture for just the first 10 steps every time you start walking. Research from the University of Maryland shows that this brief awareness creates lasting change through neural patterning. Dr. Joan Vernikos, former NASA scientist, demonstrates that changing direction while walking better activates postural muscles. Therefore, incorporate directional changes during your daily activities, like walking in a figure-8 pattern while on phone calls. Recent studies from the Gait Analysis Laboratory at Oxford University show that mindful walking can improve posture by up to 35% within 6 weeks. The key is maintaining awareness of your foot strike and spinal alignment during these brief moments. Start by practicing the Royal Walk technique. Imagine balancing a book on your head for just 5 steps at a time. Research indicates that this simple visualization can automatically trigger proper alignment of your entire kinetic chain. Why do yoga masters have amazing posture at any age? Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies shows that certain yoga poses activate the deep postural muscles better than conventional exercises. The atomic habit approach. Every time you stand up, perform a 5-second mountain pose. Dr. Timothy McCall's research reveals that this brief alignment check can reset your posture for the next 30 minutes. But here's the crucial part. Focus on grounding through your feet while gently lifting through your crown. This creates what yoga therapists call the energetic line, promoting natural spinal alignment throughout your daily activities. Recent research from the International Journal of Yoga Therapy demonstrates that micro-yoga practices spread throughout the day are more effective than longer isolated sessions. Incorporate simple yoga-inspired movements into your daily routine. Start with cat-cow stretches while getting out of bed, shoulder rolls during computer breaks, and gentle twists while seated. Studies show these mindful movements can improve spinal mobility by up to 40% when practiced consistently. How does your diet affect your posture? The Journal of Clinical Rheumatology reveals that certain minerals directly impact muscle function and posture. Create an atomic habit of adding magnesium-rich foods to your first meal. Studies from Tufts University show that adequate magnesium levels improve muscle response by up to 40%. Dr. Mark Hyman emphasizes the importance of anti-inflammatory foods for fascia health, which directly impacts posture. Therefore, start your day with a handful of pumpkin seeds and leafy greens, creating a nutritional trigger for better posture throughout the day. Recent research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that hydration levels significantly affect connective tissue elasticity and postural control. Create a hydration schedule linked to posture checks throughout your day. The European Journal of Clinical Nutrition reports that vitamin D deficiency can weaken postural muscles by up to 30%. Incorporate vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish and eggs into your diet, or spend 10 minutes in morning sunlight while practicing your posture exercises. What's the little-known secret about posture and brain health? Recent neuroscience research from Stanford University shows a direct connection between posture and cognitive function. But here's the game-changing tip: using mirror neurons to your advantage. Place small posture reminder stickers at eye level in your daily environment. Research from the Max Planck Institute shows that visual cues can trigger automatic postural adjustments. Create an atomic habit by linking posture checks to common activities like entering doorways or checking your watch. The Journal of Neuroscience reveals that proper posture can improve memory recall by up to 40% and enhance problem-solving abilities. Studies from Harvard's Department of Neurobiology demonstrate that upright posture increases alpha brainwave activity associated with improved focus and reduced stress. Transform everyday moments into posture enhancement opportunities by practicing the doorway reset technique. Each time you pass through a doorway, imagine a gentle thread pulling you upward from your crown while engaging your core. This simple practice creates a neural pathway linking environmental cues to improved posture. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Discover 10 easy exercises to lose belly fat after 40 and boost your fitness fast. Let's watch the next video here.